Today's video is about LG 22LN4100 dead TV. Indicator light blinks one time and TV is not starting. This is the fault in this TV. We will see how to fix this problem. Whenever you get single blink problem, you need to focus on processor and flash IC. To find the faulty area, we need to check pin number 1 of flash IC. To see data is okay in flash IC. If on pin number 1 3.3 volt come then disappear, then we can say that data is okay in flash IC. Data is okay, but file may be fragmented. To fix this, we will read the data and write the same data to fix fragmentation. We have skipped the video of programming. We have written the data in flash IC. Now we will fix the IC in the motherboard. We have written the same data which we have read from the flash IC. We have now fixed the flash IC on the motherboard. Indicator light blinks for 3 times. This process is normal. This TV is now working okay.